What's up everybody, Mr. Smith here, and we're going to talk about some fun things to do this summer. Jumping rope is a great activity for your family this summer, but understand first of all that jumping rope, we don't start by jumping rope. We can do a lot of other things with the rope as well. So I like to talk about starting with one of these cotton ropes or ones that you can find in a hardware store. You get a big long rope and then you cut them and then put some tape around the edges. You can kind of see how I've taped up the edges a little bit to hold the rope in there, and it's a great rope to use as a beginner rope. So I'm going to start with the rope on the floor, and I'm going to integrate a little bit of classroom learning, and we're going to make shapes on the floor. I'm going to start out by making a square on the floor, and then I'm going to tell my students to jump in, or tell our kids to jump in with 2 feet and jump out with 2 feet. Jump in with 2 feet, jump out with 2 feet. You can make a triangle, making a triangle or a circle, any kind of shape that you want to make where you jump out, jump in, jump out like that. You can also teach a little bit about some literacy and have them make letters with the cotton rope. So you take the rope, I'm going to make the letter S for my name, Smith, and I'm going to jump in S, out, and in and out, and every time I do it, I'm going to say the sound. I'm going to use that sound, Smith, or snake, kind of looks like a snake. So you can learn a little bit about letters and shapes as well. I'm also going to take the rope, and I'm going to put it on the floor long ways, make a straight line. And I will stand on one side with 2 feet, and this is called a zigzag jump. I'm going to go jump over sideways, and I'm going to kind of zigzag my way down the rope. Kind of like zigzagging and skiing down a mountain. So a couple of things that you can start with, and then when you're ready, take the rope, hold the ends in your hands, and I like to tell my students to make a smiley mouth. All right, so you're going to make a smiley mouth so that the bottom lip touches the floor. Making a smiley mouth, and we step through and swing it over our heads. Smiley mouth, step through, over our heads, smiley mouth, leap through with 1 foot. Smiley mouth, leap through with 1 foot, and obviously building up to 2-foot jumps at the same time. Swing and jump. Swing and jump. And when you're getting better at jumping rope, look at some different types of ropes that you can use. I have beaded ropes, which become a little bit faster. So using these beaded ropes that you've probably seen before, if they're not tangled up. And then trying to get a speed rope so that you can go a little bit faster, speed jumping, and taking your rope and jumping a little bit faster. I hope you have a great time jumping rope this summer. Have a great summer.